You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of an archangel, a biblical name for more names from the Bible and more names of archangels and angels. Make sure to stay tuned. Generally pronounced as Raziel, Ra-Z-L. Raziel. Some may say it also as Raziel. Raziel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.